Hello, beautiful people! I'm Babes.
I'm Yaya.
Together, we are your Bay! In today's episode of Bay TV, we will feature another budget-friendly hotel accommodation that we stayed in.
We will also share with you the amenities you can use when you book a stay here.
So what are we waiting for?
Let's go!
Planning a trip to Auckland, New Zealand but want to stay close to the heart of the city without breaking the bank? Stay tuned because we found the perfect spot for you. Welcome to Auckland City Hotel. Located right in the center of Auckland, this hotel is just a few minutes walk to Sky City, the Harbour, and Queen Street. The vibe here is cozy, welcoming, perfect for travelers from the Philippines, Singapore, Vietnam, Japan, Indonesia, Myanmar, and the US, or anyone exploring New Zealand. Inside the hotel, you'll also find a stylish cafe and bar. There's a huge banquet area for bigger groups, a pool table if you want to chill, a buffet table for breakfast service, and of course the essential coffee and drinks bar. Right next to the lifts, you'll find vending machines for quick snacks and drinks. Oh, and look, they even have a piano you can play while waiting for the lift. Yeye couldn't resist it. Now let's head to our room. Auckland City Hotel offers apartment-style rooms perfect for families or groups. Our room is fully equipped with everything you need. A microwave oven, electric kettle, mugs, glasses, complimentary coffee, tea, hot chocolate, sweeteners, and a mini fridge. There's even a built-in stovetop and hood. Perfect if you want to cook light meals during your holiday and save some extra cash. All the basic cooking and eating wares are ready for you, including a bread toaster, pantry, and sink. And check this out, a huge closet with a full-length mirror sliding door. Inside, you'll find a luggage rack, hangers, a flat iron, and ironing board. Hair dryer, a safe, and plenty of drawer space. There's a good size table too, perfect for dining or if you need to squeeze in some work. The room is originally for 4 people, but since we're 5, we paid for an additional pax. The hotel set up a small sofa bed for the 5th person. The room already comes with 2 queen-size beds and a flat-screen TV. Although heads up, no Netflix or YouTube streaming, just local channels. The bathroom is spacious and functional too, complete with fresh towels, toiletries, and bath amenities. Bonus! Their body wash, shampoo, and conditioner are infused with pure honey, leaving you smelling and feeling amazing after a long day of sightseeing.
So there you have it. Thank you for watching Bay TV.
Stay tuned for more travel and accommodation tips and hacks from us.
If this video has made you happy or helped you in any way, do share it with your friends and family who will gain value from it.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you in our next vlog.
God bless!